AirTag tracker detector warns of stalkers in seconds. Crowdsourced creep alert invention could save someone's life in America. Wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. So, but except all the auto thieves are going to carry these now too.
Sure, yeah.
But I guess that's not really the point because, I mean, your car stolen is one thing. You get stalked and killed, that's another thing. They're not on the same level.
Yeah.
And not everybody has an iPhone with the thing turned on, and not everyone's going to download the app to Android, the anti-stalker version of it. And the AirTags are absolutely everywhere. That's the stalker? Jeez, dude. That is a freaky... what do they call
these stock images or something?
Yeah, but it's actually kind of... Imagine being the guy that they're like, you're gonna be the stock image stalker.
Yeah.
And I don't think I'm signing up for that, but I guess you're just acting at the end of the day. It seems that no matter what Apple does to try to dodge the reputation it's earning for an AirTag being used by creeps, it can't shake the reality that stalker-type crimes highlight the tracking technologies hidden inside of a victim's belongings. Listen, at first there was like no solution, and then they were like, oh yeah, we definitely have to do something after it started popping up, and then they were slapping them on cars and then following people around, and so now it's alerting you immediately. It's like, hey, that AirTag's been with you for too long, doesn't belong to you. It's letting you know.
Yeah. I guess you can't wear it or like hold on to it all the time because it's just going to keep alerting you. You pass by someone and it's just going to alert.
This thing here?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sure there's probably some feature in there.
Maybe like a 5-minute?
Yes, it has to be near you for long enough. The BlueSleuth is the name of it. The BlueSleuth-Lite. A palm-sized device attaches to your keychain. It can be charged through a mini USB or wireless. And it is more sensitive and accurate than any smartphone app. And it's the only product that immediately identifies and alerts hidden BLE tags. Oof. It is kind of cool. The BlueSleuth-Lite is based on the existing product BlueSleuth, and according to their campaign, the creators have sold hundreds of their original Bluetooth skimmer locator. They sell those to law enforcement task forces, ATM security teams, weights and measures inspectors, and owners, managers operating fuel stations plagued by hidden Bluetooth card skimmers. That is cool. So they got the background in this tech. Now the consumer can buy it. My question immediately, how often do I have to charge it? Obviously, now I have to carry a secondary device, which is kind of bothersome. But how often do I have to charge it? It's not bad. If you have one of these, I mean, the stalking thing, if you have a stalker, yes, you'd probably be willing to carry something. But in my case, it's like if you have a car that's a target for thieves, it might be worthwhile to keep it in your bag. You get back to your car, you're like, is anybody tracking the car? You just do a little scan here and there every so often. A little scan around outside the car. More sensitive than the app. Right. And also, this one is universal. So it could do the tile. It could do the AirTag.
Yeah.
Well, this is pretty cool, man. They raised $17,000. They have a goal $24,000. They can send one. I'll try it out. They can send one over.
Why not?
I mean, how much they want for it, though?
It's quite a lot.
Oh, Will. Well,
it's $500.
Well,
yeah.
Can I get a Dreamcast startup set? Okay. It's a joke, man.
Yeah.
$500.
Yeah, dude. For a basic one, apparently.
You got to have a real stalker problem, I guess. Or you have to be have a business or something. That'd be law enforcement type, investigator type, fuel station owner. Like, I don't know who has a real serious problem with this over and over and over again. Maybe a school could buy one. It's at $500. I just don't think the average person's going to buy one of these. But it'll be a niche type of product. So that explains why they didn't raise all the money yet. But anyway. It's cool tech regardless. It's very cool tech, and it's much more sensitive apparently than your own device. I think most people are just using their own device. I know it seemed like a downer now that we got to this part of the story with the price, but if it works really, really well and they know it's not going to be a high volume product, this might be the only way to make it feasible.
Yeah, maybe this is just like a jumping off point Maybe once they raise enough capital, they can make it cheaper.
Somebody says for 500, they'd rather stop dating crazy men. Yeah, I know. I hear you. It's probably a good idea. They're probably both a good. Maybe both are good. I don't know.